As you guys can see, we now found this rough and furious creature cleaning on our floor, trying to eat my feet. I don't know why it wants to eat my feet, but do you know one other thing? I don't know why, but it keeps on bumping into stuff for some reason. If you guys, please comment down below if you know why it keeps on bumping into stuff. Because I'm as confused as you are. See, look, it's trying to eat my feet.
It's a bad view.
No, it isn't. Oh, wait. It's a Roomba species. It's called a Roomba. It's a species. See, as you can see, it blends in perfectly with this part right here. Why is there a sock on the floor? Ew.
Oh no, Mr. Roomba.
Guys, see, he keeps on hitting stuff.
He's learning.
Oh gosh.
He's Misty.
Oh no. Guys, you see the kitty cat
Misty.
versus the Roomba. Misty! Come here. It's you. Come on, Misty. It's the Roomba. See, as the ferocious creature moves, we have another ferocious and angry creature just staring at it. It's so confused, as I am. See? Oh, no. It's going after me. Misty, come here.
Come
here.
Learning.
I don't know why. I think the cat's scared of it. Why is it hitting stuff? Look, it keeps on hitting stuff.
Oh, Dad.
Okay, you guys know the whole point of the video was to get the Roomba to actually manage to go over here and clean up the floor over here. See how dirty this is? The Roomba was supposed to clean it, but apparently it's not doing its job as right as I thought it was going to be doing. But the Roomba still is the greatest thing that happened to us. It's still really good. It's just getting used to our house. As you can see, it's predator just ran outside. I don't know why. As you know, the cat, the predator, just ran outside. What the heck is it doing now? What? How did it get over here? No, that's not a toy for you, Roomba. Bad Roomba. Get out of this area. Bad Roomba. Over here. Bad Roomba. Hello, Roomba. There's an opening right here. Why can't you get through? Finally. I don't know why. It literally couldn't even get through. So, see, as it what is it doing? Roomba, no, don't go. Why is it going back there again? Literally, why? Oh my gosh, this Roomba is still getting used to our house, and apparently it doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know where to go. Make sure, guys, 1 like equals one unconfused Roomba. I don't know why it's doing, but again, 1 like equals one unconfused Roomba. Is it going after my feet again?
No!
I'm scared, guys. It looks like it's gonna go after my feet. No! For this last time! Why is it going back out there? Mark, what are you doing?
Alright, how about you block it off?
Oh, no, it's going after my feet.
Mr. Roomba, you are not allowed over here.
There you go. Now it's going over to our curtains. Great. The whole point of this video was to see how good it was to go clean that floor over there. Why? It can't do one simple thing.
Hey, it's just learning.
I'm scared to pick that up. If you pause this for a second, I will pause it. What the heck is this? Guys, what the heck? I don't even know what the heck that is. It was like eating it or something. Okay, I'll unpause it. Actually, Mr. Roomba. Oh, do you want to play the piano today? Okay, that's lovely. Stop trying to go after my feet.
It's cleaning.
it's trying to. No, what is it with you? With this area right over here, Roomba. What is it with you? Finally, Tristan, come here. I think it likes you because it keeps on going like. Oh, now it's going near.
that.
Finally, it's going to its area where it's supposed to go. Finally, go. No, not the cat food. Oh no! Misty's gonna be mad if that spills.
And the Roomba will die. No!
Roomba, over here. Get the. Mark!
Oh, God.
Mike, move! Okay, Roomba, finally!
He's actually dead.
Okay, Roomba, over here. This is where. No, it's totally ignoring me. Why do you want to go outside now, Mr. Roomba? No, he wants to go see if Misty can see. Look, as you guys can see, Misty is lying down underneath here. You might not be able to see her, but she is under here, right here. See? Aw, hi, Miss. Hi. Okay. Bye, Miss.
No, we can.
As the beast is still outside, looking at what this confusing thing is. She is looking at it and thinking that maybe the Roomba thing likes her. I don't know. We always call him Mr. Roomba. That's always what we call it. Stop trying to go outside, Roomba. Well, guys. Well, guys, that was the end of the video, sadly. But I hope you're enjoying the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Also, subscribe and like. Bye. Bye.